On January 12, 1863, Swami Vivekanand, a spiritual guru and a source of inspiration for the youth, was born in Kolkata. Swami Vivekanand's birth anniversary is celebrated every year as National Youth Day in the country. At the age of just 25, Swami Vivekanand renounced worldly attachments and took up sannyas, setting out to propagate Hindu religion and Sanatan culture. There came a time in his life when he imparted knowledge of Hindutva and spirituality to the whole world. Swamiji's speech, given in Chicago on September 11, 1893, presented Bharat with a strong image before the entire world. My brothers and sisters of America. These 5 words of Swamiji became historic, forcing the Art Institute of Chicago to echo with thunderous applause for 2 full minutes. These words made it clear that he comes from a country where Vasudhaiv Kutumbakam is the basic value and ideology of Sanatan Dharma. 7,000 people were mesmerized by these words of Swami Vivekanand simply because they did not think that someone coming from thousands of miles away could address them as their brother and sister. Swamiji further said, I am proud that I belong to a country which has taken shelter of the persecuted people of all countries and religions of this earth. On January 12, 1934, the great patriotic revolutionary Surya Sen was born in Chittagong, undivided Bengal. Surya Sen was one of those revolutionaries who were subjected to unbearable torture by the British until his death. Surya Sen, who was a teacher by profession, had given a direct challenge in 1930. Along with his comrades, he did not allow the British to gain a foothold in Chittagong. On January 12, 1934, Surya Sen was hanged along with his companion Tarkeshwar in Chittagong Central Jail by the British. The British tortured him until the last moment. Just minutes before he was hanged, the nails of Surya Sen's hands were pulled out and his teeth were broken so that he could not chant Vande Mataram until his last breath. Surya Sen endured all the tortures with a smile and sacrificed his life for the motherland. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj's mother Jijabai was born in Maharashtra on January 12, 1598. Apart from being the mother of Chhatrapati Shivaji, Rajmata Jijabai was also his friend, guide and a source of inspiration. Her entire life was an embodiment of sacrifice. She did not lose patience even after facing difficulties and adverse circumstances throughout her life and gave all those values to her son Shiva, due to which he later became Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, the patron of Hindu society. The birth anniversary of Rajmata Jijabai is celebrated as Rajmata Jijau Jayanti in the country. Spiritual guru Maharshi Mahesh Yogi was born on January 12, 1918. He took spiritual education from his guru Swami Brahmanand and also travelled the world. Maharshi Yogi built an ashram on 18 acres in Rishikesh, after which he moved to the Netherlands in 1970. Maharshi Yogi had established an organization named Global Country of World Peace in America in the year 2000. In 2001, this institution issued its own currency, which was named Ram. There is a picture of Lord Ram on this note. However, this currency has not been recognized by the World Bank.